One of the handiest HVAC tools for sale on the market today is the EasyRig crane, a device that was actually invented by an HVAC technician to make his job easier.
He noticed a lot of workmen's compensation claims getting filed due to technicians bending and contorting their bodies to lift some of the ducting at weird angles, wherewith the device he invented was free to roll around the facility and could lift up to 2,000 pounds and even come in through the standard 3-foot doorways.
Other means like chain falls or jib cranes worked on fixed locations, but the EasyRig crane could roll into places many other devices couldn't get into. Since that time, the EasyRig crane has been used by a number of HVAC contractors to make their job safer and easier, and even producing a good rate of return on their investment. If you do HVAC work, you should seriously investigate the best HVAC tools for sale that is portable, strong, and safe by contacting us at 805-643-4387. 643-4387.